In front of me is Realme 8, and let me show you how to make your phone number private on this device. So first of all, you need to open your phone dialer, then tap on More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and go to Settings. Now click on Call-in Accounts right here, and then select Carrier Call Settings. Go to Additional Settings then, and select My Number. So as you can see here, you can hide or show your caller ID, but if you want to make your phone number private, just click on Hide Number. And from now on, it will be not visible in any outgoing calls, so it will be hidden in all calls that you are making. And this is it, so you can make your phone number private. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.